Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're sharing 10 quick and healthy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Let's jump right in. Overnight oats. Number 1. Overnight oats. Combine oats, milk, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight and enjoy a delicious breakfast with no morning prep. Smoothie bowl. 2. Smoothie bowls. Blend your favorite fruits with some yogurt or milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and seeds for a refreshing start to your day. Avocado toast. 3. Avocado toast. Mash up an avocado and spread it on whole grain toast. Add cherry tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Greek yogurt parfait. 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with honey, granola, and fresh berries for a protein-packed, sweet and crunchy treat. Egg muffins. 5. Egg muffins. Mix eggs with your favorite veggies and cheese. Pour into a muffin tin and bake. These can be made ahead and reheated quickly. Peanut butter banana toast. 6. Peanut butter banana toast. Spread peanut butter on whole grain toast, add banana slices, and drizzle with honey. It's as easy as it is delicious. Chia pudding. 7. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk and a bit of sweetener. Let it sit overnight, and top with fruits and nuts in the morning. Breakfast burrito. 8. Breakfast burrito. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, avocado, and salsa for a portable, protein-packed meal. Cottage cheese with fruit. 9. Cottage cheese with fruit. Combine cottage cheese with pineapple chunks and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a quick, protein-rich breakfast. Healthy muffins. 10. Healthy muffins. Bake a batch of whole grain muffins with fruits and nuts on the weekend. Grab one on your way out the door for a quick, healthy option. And there you have it, 10 quick and healthy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Enjoy these delicious, nutritious options to start your day right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.